Is the AI automation agency model dead, too late to start, or impossible to scale? A few months ago, there was huge hype around AI automation agency being the best way to make money with AI. Now, AI influencers say it's broken. You should do SaaS or AI transformation consulting or whatever. But wait, between hype and backlash, what's the real deal? In this video, I will give you data, frameworks, and proven tactics so you know what to expect from AI automation agency model, if you should do it or not, how to get success with this model, and why listen to me. I've helped hundreds of AI automation agency owners as a business coach in the biggest AI community in the world since 2023. And let me tell you, I've seen AI automation agency owners crushing it. And in the next minute, we will expose the two biggest myths about selling AI so you don't fall for them. Then we'll make a quick reality check about AI automation agency model, the wrong beliefs about it, and the reality so that you can know what to expect. Then I will show you the fastest realistic way to start a AI automation agency that I've seen working while coaching AAA founders since September 2023. Then we'll crush the not scalable myth about AI automation agency. I will give you the roadmap for that. And I will quickly address the escape routes from AI automation agencies, AI education, AI SaaS, AI transformation partners, to separate what's real from what's hype and set what you can actually do to win. But first, what's an AI automation agency? In few words, it's a service company that uses existing AI tools and APIs like OpenAI, Anthropic, Zapier, Make, Retail, etc. to build custom automations for businesses. They don't invent new AI models or run heavy infrastructure. They don't own a product like SaaS companies do. Instead, they assemble and adapt available AI and automation tools to solve specific business problems. For instance, routing calls, automating support, cleaning CRM data, reactivating customer database, etc. So in short, an AI automation agency is a custom service integrator of AI tools, not a creator of new AI technology. And from 2023 to 2025, AI influencers have claimed that AI automation agencies are the go-to business model to make millions selling AI. So many people started, struggled with it, and got disappointed. So many quit. Their disappointment is due to two big myths about selling AI. Myth number one, everyone wants to buy AI. If I slap an AI tag on my stuff, they will want it. Or if I say I do AI, they will pay attention. So let's pitch AI that can save time, money, etc. The reality, most people don't want AI. They want results. And they are not convinced that you and AI can give them these results. Furthermore, there is lots of confusion and wrong expectations around AI because of the hype. Not unquestionable craze for it. Gen AI adoption is growing, but still very slow and kind of low. So many AAAs struggle with sales. Myth number two, Gen AI has made it easy to build and deliver AI automation, even if you're not techie. Yes, that's true. It becomes easier to build tech demos and small automations with AI, but demos don't guarantee customers results. And customers know that. Furthermore, you need skill, experience, and effort to build a production level system. And believe me, it's harder than it looks. So the reality is many AI automation agencies struggle with delivery. Now you can see some challenges around the corner. But then what's the reality with AI automation agencies? What makes these opportunities so attractive? And what are the real traps and threats with AAA? Let's find out. First, what makes the AI automation agency model so attractive? Easy. You can start with no or little money. You can start alone or with a little team. You don't have to build a product. There are lots of AI tools out there that you can stitch together. It seems doable. There is a lot of hype around AI, so there is interest, but also skepticism. But truth is, there are lots of untapped markets. That's true. Finally, you can make some money quite quickly with small builds, pilots, or even audits. In short, low barriers, fast start, big promises. AI automation agency model looks easy, but it's not magical. Here are the 7 reasons why. Number 1, everyone can enter. If it's easy for you to start, it's also easy for 1,000 others. Competition is real. Number 2, clients are curious, but cautious. Many say, tell me about AI, but they don't buy because they don't see clear proof of result or return on investment. Number 3, big claims fall flat. Cold DMs with, I will automate your business with AI, get ignored. Number 4, finding first clients is the hardest step. Without access or credibility in a niche, doors stay shut. Number 5, businesses don't want AI. They want more sales, lower costs, more profits. If you can't link what you do to a clear KPI, key performance indicator, they won't pay. Number 6, delivery is harder and takes more time than expected. The pilot looks great on day one, but small exceptions break it and you end up fixing stuff for weeks. Let me give you a reality check about this. Data is messy, CRM's full of duplicates, scattered documents, missing processes. AI makes chaos faster unless you clean things up first, and that takes time. Integration is painful. Linking legacy tools, permissions, and APIs is slow and brittle. Maintenance never stops. Model drift, tools change, vendors update terms. You need logging, alerts, and fixes. Finally, margin can quickly vanish. API cost or extra maintenance hours can turn a profitable client into a money sink. Reason number 7, no repeatability at first. That one is a big one. Each client asks for something different. It feels like you're starting from scratch every time. So you can see these first tracks show that getting real clients and repeat wins with profit is harder than it looks with AI automation agency. The truth is most people struggle getting their first paid clients. Let me show you a proven framework that helps you get these first clients for your AAA. I call it the Access Knowledge Map. Before I explain how the framework works, let me tell you something. I've seen hundreds of people starting an AI automation agency. Lots of them have 2 wrong beliefs. Wrong belief number 1, the AI automation can sell like crazy. They believe in the magical offer. Wrong belief number 2, the best niche syndrome. They want to niche down right from the start at any cost. The first wrong belief is a fantasy, the magical AI automation that sells like crazy. But the second one makes sense in theory, but in reality is impractical for most. The truth is, AI automation agency is not about tools first, it's about trust and credibility. If people don't believe you can help them, nothing else matters. So before thinking about AI offers or niche, figure out, do you have access? Do you have knowledge? That gives you a 2x2 matrix that I call the knowledge access map. That's the frame. Let me define first knowledge and access. Knowledge equal how well you understand an industry's problems and workflow. Access is how many real people in that industry you can actually reach. People who trust you, know you, will accept your call. So quadrant number 1, high knowledge plus high access. The insider. You know the industry well, and you have contacts. The tactics are, number 1, start with a paid diagnostic to map problems, measure baseline, evaluate potential results. Number 2, offer a small pilot tied to a key performance indicator, like fewer missed calls, more upsells, higher conversion rate, etc. Number 3, grow with case studies quickly. Case studies build trust. Quadrant 2, high knowledge plus low access. The expert without doors. You understand the problems, but don't know enough people. Tactics here, number 1, borrow access. Partner with agencies, resellers, associations. They have your target audience and want your experience. Number 2, offer to run workshops or training with partners to showcase value. And 3, use partners' trust to get first buy and customer. Quadrant 3, low knowledge, high access. The connector. You know people in a space, but not their problems deeply. Tactic here, step 1, leverage relationships, friends, ex-colleagues, family businesses, etc. Step 2, offer a free ops clinic. Map how work flows, where money is wasted, additional profit is missed. And step 3, learn their processes and propose one clear pilot to maximize the benefit complexity ratio. Quadrant 4, low knowledge, low access. The beginner. You have no niche knowledge and no network. That would be hard, my friend. But there are several tactics. Tactic number 1, pick a tool or an ecosystem. Think HubSpot, Zapier, Retail, Cloud, Shopify, N8N. Focus on that. Become the go-to AI implementer for this ecosystem or the go-to implementer of this tool. Tactic number 2, warm outreach to your personal circle. Friends, ex-classmates, people you know, people who trust you. Do discovery calls, find out what they want, their priorities, and offer a simple custom build addressing their priorities. Of course, you can combine both tactics. Learn a tool deeply, sell first builds to people who already trust you. So these are the 4 quadrants. How to use them? Be honest about which quadrant you are. Pick the tactics that fit your quadrant. And then your first priority isn't building, It's earning trust with one key result. Then iterate, gain experience, social proof, case studies, and money. That's leverage. Okay, you've started. You've landed 2 or 3 projects. Then you may think, every client wants something different. I can't keep up. That's a valid point. I call that the custom hell. And that's exactly why you need systems. Let me show you that. Your way out the custom hell is packaging, turning messy builds into repeatable modules and reusable know-how. There are 2 layers. Service packages, repeat offers, or modules you can sell again and again or use in other builds. For example, small automations, missed call recovery systems, CRM, IG automation, knowledge-based assistant, customer database reactivation systems. Think of them as automation blocks you can plug into different clients. Then the second layer is knowledge packages, your compounded expertise. So you should document every project, setup, steps, error, fixes, lessons, cost, efforts, and so on. Centralize it into playbooks so next time you deliver faster and safer. And you don't lose it if a staff member leaves. But what do I mean by playbook systems? Something like this, with a structured data collection with a clean UI. Okay, client profile, problem definition, solution, metrics, development, the build metrics, technical challenges, dependencies, limitation, etc. Commercial, of course, financial metrics, value indicators, reusability assessment, etc. Artifacts, knowledge artifacts, metadata, and then of course follow-ups and something to export the data. And guess what? You can go crazy with this. You can plug it to a database and a rack system so that you can get insights, make queries, generate structured report, dashboard, structured SOPs. This double layer packaging system gives you leverage. Which brings us to the biggest myth I hear over and over. AI automation agency can't scale. You should do AI SaaS or some other AI business. That's so wrong. Any business can scale with the right system. And it's always hard. SaaS isn't easier. You still need people, money, and leverage. I did a full video proving this with real data and use case. AI automation agency is not different. It's a service business. And like any service business, it can scale if you have the right priorities, the right systems, and the right people. To make this real, here is what I call the preventer map. These are the typical blockers agencies hit as they grow. You don't need the full list right now. Just know they come in stages. Early on, you fight for leads and everything depends on you. As you grow, quality slips, margins get fuzzy, and hiring gets hard. And when you try to scale, you face offer bloat, weak partners, supplier dependence, and cash flow crunch. That's the reality of scaling at AAA. But here's the point. None of this means AI automation agencies can't scale. These preventers are just part of the journey. Your job is to spot which one is blocking you today and build a small system to fix it. You won't solve all 12 at once. You fix one, move forward, then tackle the next. And guess what? That's how every service business scales, step by step. And yet many founders hit the preventers, get frustrated, and instead of fixes them, they pivot. Well, pivoting can be smart if you've done the work and have proof. But most people pivot too early, chasing the next big Chinese thing, going for escape routes. So let's have a quick look at these escape routes. There are 4 common escape routes. Teaching AI, building SaaS, AI SaaS, going after a bigger company as an AI transformation partner, mixing consulting, training, and AI development, or staying an AI automation agency and going deeper that route. Let's look at them through 3 quick lenses. Speed to cash versus scalability potential, entry barrier versus proof needed, market risk versus delivery risk. First, speed to cash versus scalability potential. How fast can you make money and how big can you get? AI automation agency wins on speed. You can start building your first project. Scalability is medium. You can grow, but it takes systems and people. AI education on the other side sits in the middle. Decent speed if you already have an audience, but still limited in scale. AI SaaS is slow to cash, but with high potential if you survive the runway. I've made a full video about AI SaaS. Check the video for the details. AI transformation partner is also slow to cash, medium scale. Big budgets exist, they're up there, but you can wait months for yes. Everyone dreams of fast and scalable, but the reality is you always trade one for the other. Next, entry barriers versus proof needed. How easy is it to start and how much proof do you need to succeed? AI education is easy to launch, but proof is everything. Without wins and an audience, nobody will buy. AI SaaS is high barrier, you need product, infra, capital, and still needs strong proof. AI transformation partner is also high barrier and high proof. You need a mix of skills, consulting, development, training, and also credibility and enterprise trust, as well as access. If you stick to AI automation agency, again, that's the lowest barrier. A handful of clients wins is enough to keep going. The trap is underestimating how much proof you need before pivoting and also the leverage required. Finally, market risk versus delivery risk. If you stay an AI automation agency, it has lower market risk. Businesses need last mile solutions every day, even if they are very skeptical for the moment. But AAA has medium delivery risk because of edge cases and maintenance that might already covered. AI education heavily depends on audience. Market risk is high if you have no following, and delivery risk is kind of low once the courses are made. AI SaaS is the worst combo. High market risk in a crowded space, high deliveries with infra and churn and all that stuff. As for AI transformation partner, it has the lower market risk if you have access to bigger businesses, but delivery risk is very high. You have governance, compliance, and big expectations from big businesses. So each route carries a different risk profile. The real question is, do you have access, skills, leverage, and the patience for that type of risk? In any case, all four routes can work, but none are easy. Most people pivot too early, chasing shiny things instead of fixing the preventers. Pivot if you have the required proof, skills, leverage, not just frustration. And remember, AI automation agency model is still the easiest way to start making money with AI because you can begin lean and build step by step. So AI automation agency model is not a magic shortcut. It's a service business. But if you start with the right tactics I shared with you, earn trust, sell key results, and build the right system step by step, AAA can be your fastest path to real revenue in AI. Then you can definitely scale it. It's a matter of systems, removing the preventers I showed you, but you can also choose to pivot, but now choose for the right reasons and with the clear expectation. This was the goal of this video, showing you the right reason and the right expectations. I hope it's helped. I see you in the next video.